Welcome back to English Clouds channel. Today we're going to explore the simple past tense in English, whether you're just starting out or brushing up on your skills. This video will cover everything you need to know about the simple past tense. Formation, usage, examples. The formation of the simple past tense. For regular verbs, the simple past is formed by adding ed to the base form of the verb. Base form plus ed. Example, work, worked. Examples, I jumped, I jumped. You play, you played. They visit, they visited. Exception. Many common verbs in English are irregular and don't follow this pattern. These verbs have unique past tense forms that you need to memorize. Examples: go, went, had, see, saw, take, took. Now let's look at the verb to be, which also has unique forms in the past tense. I, he, she, it, was. You, we, they, were. When to use the simple past? The simple past is used for completed actions. Actions that started and finished in the past. Examples: I visited Paris last year. She watched a movie yesterday. Series of completed actions. Multiple actions that happened one after the other. Examples: she finished her homework, cleaned her room, and went to bed. Duration in the past. Actions that lasted for a specific duration but are no longer happening. They lived in London for 5 years. Habits in the past. Repeated actions or habits that happened in the past. I always walked to school when I was a child. Past facts or generalizations. Facts or generalizations that were true in the past. People believed the earth was flat. Let's look at some examples in sentences to see the simple past in action. I ate breakfast at 7 a.m. They traveled to Japan last summer. Did you see that movie? She didn't like the food. Notice how we use did to form questions and did not or didn't to form negatives in the simple past. Did you visit the museum? Did he call you yesterday? I did not understand the lesson. They did not finish their project. Conclusion. And that's it for the simple past tense. It's crucial for talking about actions and events that happened in the past. Practice using it in your conversations and writing, and you'll get the hang of it quickly. And now let's take a test. Task 1. Match the infinitive and the simple past form. Task 2. Complete the sentence. I gap my grandparents last weekend. Visited. She got her homework before dinner. Finish it. They got a movie at the theater last night. Watch it. He got a new car 2 weeks ago. Bought. We got to Italy last summer. Travel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Clouds for more English learning tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. See you in the next video.